Hi, my name's Lorraine Hunt and I'm from the UK. My day job, I'm a HR and training professional, but I also own a business called Let's Go Crafting. What I decided when I joined up for Sarah's 30-day group coaching program is to create a course on how to automate your HR processes, which I did. I followed her step-by-step guidance and I got through filming probably about half of the content that I needed. But one thing that I realised from the group coaching program, and actually being with other fellow creators as we was travelling on the journey together, is that I didn't want to create a course on automating HR processes. I wanted to create a course for my craft business. So I pivoted towards the end when we were doing the filming, and for the last month or two I've been focusing on changing my business model completely. And so what I've been doing, following Sarah's model that she taught us in the group coaching program, I've been creating new content for the representatives that I'm going to be asking to join my new business, to give them the confidence and the skills that they need to go out and be successful. So if you're thinking about creating your own course for your business and you're not quite sure, you may not be quite sure about the topic, do it. Invest in yourself and invest in Sarah's program. It is so much more than what you'll ever achieve on your own. And I can honestly say the biggest thing that I got out of it is 4 months ago I wouldn't have been sat in front of a camera talking to you, let alone doing Facebook lives. But I do them now and I don't even blink about it. I may not be perfect and you may not be perfect, but actually Sarah got me over the hurdles of lacking confidence, of knowing where to start, and actually, more importantly, got me over the overwhelm. And actually I just did it. So I can honestly say, please, if you're thinking about it, what have you got to lose? I hope you will do the program. Good luck to you. I may even see you inside. Bye.